Working from home comes with plenty of perks, but it also has downsides, like answering emails and calls after hours, which can blur the lines between work and personal time. It's just one reason why the Ontario government is proposing new legislation that would require employers to give workers the right to disconnect, which sounds good in theory, but just how feasible would it be to implement? And joining us now with some insight is employment lawyer Lior Samfiru. Thanks so much for joining us, Lior.
Thanks, Candace.
The Ford government also introduced legislation that would bar non-compete clauses. And for those of you that don't know, that's a clause that prevents an employee from leaving one company to take a new job with a direct competitor. So what can you tell us about that, and how would that help? What impact would that have?
Well, unlike what we said before, I think this law or this policy is a good idea. Now, in Canada, generally, our courts have said that we don't enforce non-compete agreements because we don't like things that prevent people from earning a living. But despite that, employers have been using these types of agreements to try to intimidate and prevent employees from moving to other places. I think this is a good idea. It's going to allow employees to make career decisions. It's going to force employers to treat employees better so that they don't go work for a competitor. So I think that is a valuable thing that will help employees and help the workplaces and even help employers. Keep in mind, employers can still do things to protect themselves. They can have confidentiality obligations with their employees. They can have non-solicitation obligations that prevent employees from stealing clients. So not having non-competes is not a necessary thing. I think this is a very good idea and probably long overdue.
Okay, always educational and always a pleasure. That is employment lawyer Lior Samfiru. Thank you.
Thank you.